So today I'm going to teach you how to actually use the I am discourse, the idea of the I am, the you are the I am of the mental and spiritual plane, the great I am, the whatever you call your spirituality, your higher self, your higher realm, I am. I'm going to teach you how to use that in a way that actually makes it work for you. The Kabbalion tells you about the I am, that is the all in all. You know for yourself that whatever you say, the vibration you put out of the I am that you say that you are, is what you become. You've read the books, Think and Grow Rich, The Millionaire Mindset. You are what you think. You've seen all those quotes and you've heard people say you have to say I am. You have to speak what you are into existence. I'm going to show you in just a few seconds how to use it properly and so that you can understand what's behind me, because you've been asking questions of what the heck is that behind me. So you guys get ready, put the seatbelts on. Let's go. So what's up, everybody? How you doing? This is your Coach Renz. First, I want to thank everybody for being here, all my subscribers, everybody who's on Patreon. I appreciate you. This video is going to be on both my YouTube channels, the Lorenzo Reed YouTube channel, and we're getting close to enough subscribers on the Coach Renz channel, which I'll put a link below for this video. I put the link on this video if it's on the YouTube channel Lorenzo Reed, so that you can go over and subscribe to that channel so we can give that channel the personal name of Coach Renz. So I appreciate you guys for subscribing and for being here, and all my patrons. I really appreciate you guys as well. And don't forget, join me for my lives. I'm going to change the schedule. I'm going to pick a day out of the week, probably a Wednesday night, that we'll start doing my live videos instead of Sunday morning. Okay, so guys, I've been asked a question. Coach Renz, I see your background. I see all those words up there, the I am statements. I see that there's a bunch of them. What are they? What do they do for you? How do they work? How do you use them? Because I understand that people have seen this. They've seen this. If you're a religious person, regardless of your religion, your only idea of I am, your primary idea of I am, is the fact that your God is called the I am because of a statement, if you're Christian or Jewish or Muslim, because of the statements that were made to Moses on the mountain of tell him that the I am sent you. And there is also the books, the I am that I am, that if you state I am, that I am, whatever you state after I am is what you are. And in essence, that's what the Moses Code is talking about. But in every understanding, we go back to the Kabbalion, the Emerald Tablets, where it tells you that the all is in all, but the all is not all, meaning that you are part of the all. And if the all is I am, that I am, then you are what you say you are. But it's not just about you saying it, because that's the vibration that could be, let me rephrase it, that could be just the vibration coming from your tongue, coming from your conscious brain, but not that deep thought, subconscious brain that's backed by emotions. You see, if your emotions are backing it, then that's what becomes truth. So we have to understand how to get our emotions, our heart chakra, involved properly into our conscious thought of I am. And one of the ways we do that is through a certain type of meditation. And I'm not going to waste your time. This video is not going to be 25 minutes long. We're going to get to this one really quick, because I want to take you guys, I'd rather you hear it, but understand it. Now, so as I said before, and as the ancient wisdom teaches, whatever you constantly feed your spirit, whatever you constantly feed the spirit person inside you, the deep person inside you, the astral person inside you, the energy person inside you, the solar being inside you, whatever you feed that, whatever you feed your subconscious brain is what you are, is what you become. And if what you are and what you become is something great, then you have a greater life. If what you feed and what you become is something less than great, you have a less than great life. You know those people who are always saying that, I want to have a relationship that's filled with romance and experiences, and I want us to cuddle together, and I want us to just be in love with each other and take walks, and I want us to, just to get in shape together. I want us to build a business together and have a nice home together and have wonderful kids together. And, you have those people who want to have all this together, all that stuff, right? But You also got those people like, I want to build this business. I want to make money. I want to get this education. I want to start this company. I want to get promoted. I want to do all these. They keep saying what they want to do. I want this. I want this. I want this. I want this. And they keep saying it. And they've been saying it for years, year after year after year after year after year after year. They've been saying it. Then they saw the book The Secret. Then they saw the I Am Discourse. Then they saw the Moses Code. Then they saw all these different little get fixed quick kind of thing. Not get rich, but get fixed quick kind of programs. And so they run after them. And then for a while, they're hot. They're on it. They're on it. Yeah, I'm in this new business. I'm going to make that money. I'm in this new relationship. It's going to be great. Right? But they just keep talking about it. Right? But the problem is they've never made themselves that first. And before you can be in a great relationship, before you can go out and make great money, before you can do any of those things, you got to get yourself in order first. The greatest wisdom that I have pretty much ever came to understand is that the power of utilizing the vibration, the power of using vibration is the power of order out of chaos. You see, when somebody says that I'm going to be in this relationship and we're going to get in shape together, you're already saying that you're out of shape. When you person that you meet is going to be out of shape. So now you're going to wait and so y'all can get in shape together. Instead, get in shape now. Me and my husband, me and my wife, we're going to build this business. Build the business now. Why are you waiting for someone else to come along or some situation that you have dreamed of in your conscious mind to come along for you to start bringing order out of the chaos? So I'm going to show you guys, you got to get yourself in order first. You can't attract the person already in order if you're out of order. You got to get in order, because if you're out of order, you're attracting other people who are out of order. And two people who are out of order usually are going to fail. Sometimes, can the two come together and then get in order? Because yes, they can. If two people come together with like mind, like thinking, then they can come together and they can bring something. But usually, they got to go through some pain. But why not go ahead and go through it now? And one of the ways we do that is to go ahead and start programming your mind. I was listening to a Tony Robbins speech not too long ago. And one of the things that Tony was talking about, he was talking about how it didn't matter how much money a person had. They were still not wealthy. They might have had money, but they weren't wealthy. They weren't happy. That happiness comes from something inside. And you got to make deposits on the inside. You got to make deposits to your spirit. You got to make deposits to who you are. Some people, that's giving. If you're giving, you're helping other people. You're making deposits to your spirit. Some people, it's achieving things. You're making deposits into your spirit. For me, having experiences, whether I'm with somebody or not with somebody, whether I'm with my family or I'm not with my family, having experiences is making deposits. My kids get mad at me because if they take too long, I'll go see a movie without them, because I'm putting deposits in me. The things that make me happy, the experiences that give me joy. I'll go do things whether I'm with somebody or not. I don't wait for other people for my joy, for my happiness. So I got to make those deposits. But before I even made those deposits, what you see above me is I did 66 days. Originally, it was going to be 30 days. And it wasn't my idea. It was an idea to help a family get better. Individuals, teenagers get better. And even though I already understood the I Am, I said, you know what? They read it on somebody's blog, on somebody's Facebook page. I said, you know what? Yes, we can do this. And, and then I added my 2 cents. I sure did add my 2 cents. So let me give you guys my 2 cents so that we can end this video right around 10 minutes. Okay? So all these I Ams, people understand them that whatever you say that you are is what you are. But there is a way to get it deeper into your subconscious, deeper into your mind. First thing, you need to meditate on it. Just to sit here and just say it is a form of meditation. To say it all throughout your day is a form of meditation. But you need to set aside some quiet time. And every day for the next 66 days, every day for the next 66 days. And some of you are going to say in the comments, Coach Range, why'd you pick 66? It's just a number I like. I like 66. But usually they say that, well, it's not they say, studies have shown that 21 days of doing something usually creates a habit. 21 days creates a habit. But you got to do it consistently for 21 days. You have to be able to do that. When we did the thing about the 5 rules of gold, if you set out for a task, you must complete that task. Actually, that's the 7 laws of a lean purse. You must complete the task. And if you ever miss the task, you got to go back and fix the task and make sure you keep it. So you got to do something consistently. We was originally doing it for 30 days, but once we got to 30 days, there was so many more I ams that I had that I said, no, I'm going to keep going. And I wound up saying 66. 66 days. That's how many days I'm going to do this. So I'm telling you 66, at least make it 21. At least 21. Commit to 30 days. Make a commitment to yourself. So we're going to go over 10 minutes. So make a commitment to yourself of saying the I ams. But on here, you just see the first side of it. I am abundance. I am unstoppable. I am universal. I am confirmed. I am mentally free. I am aware. I am time management. I am in control. I am determined. I am grateful. I am resourceful. I am considerate. I am certainty. I am proactive. I am financially sound. Now that financially sound one was very important because that financially sound one brought order to my finances. It helped bring even more order to my finances. And because it helped bring even more order to my finances, it allowed for that Financial Alchemy DIY to be written in such a way that people have been getting 80, 100 points bumps in their credit, and people are up 200 points in their credit. People are getting credit cards that give them access to money that they didn't have and they run into business with it. People have gotten access to lines of credit. People have gotten access to all kinds of financial things, but they're financially sound. If you're not financially sound, you get this access, then you're going to create more chaos in your life. So when you meditate in a quiet space and you put it up there that first day, and let's say your first day, you say, I am fearless. That was my first day and that was my last day. I am fearless. You're meditating on just, I am fearless. You see all the fear in your life leaving, whatever you're most afraid of. You see it leaving you, disappearing from you. And then you see yourself of the opposite of what fearless, being fearless, like you see of fear, not fearless, but of fear. You see the opposite of that. You are seeing that opposite, right? And then as you continue to see that opposite, you see yourself, the opposite of fearless. You're courageous. You're attacking things. You're accomplishing things. That procrastination is going away because you're not waiting to handle a bill. You're not waiting to handle a conversation. You're not waiting to handle your health. You're not waiting to handle anything. You see that procrastination going away because you are fearless and you take on the task and you get the task done. So you see all that. You see it. You're sitting. You're taking that deep breath in. Breathing in that prana, and then you release that nirvana. Breathe in the prana, release the nirvana. You see that courage coming in, attacking thing, proactivity coming in, that prana, releasing the nirvana, letting go of all the things that you're afraid of. And then you start to chant to yourself, I am fearless, fearless, I am. I am fearless. Fearless, I am. You see, it's you first make the I am statement. That's for your conscious brain. Then fearless, I am is for your spirit brain. It's for that inner man, that inner woman, that inner being, your God, goddess inside. I am fearless, the conscious, the physical, the matter plane. Fearless, I am. You see, that prana breath in is the matter plane. That nirvana breath out is the heavenly plane. I am fearless. Fearless I am on the out breath. I am fearless. Fearless I am. And that little pause of holding your breath allows for the oxygen to circulate, life to circulate, toxins to get ready to be removed. I am fearless. Fearless I am. So I want you to do that. Do that for 30 days. Do that for 66 days. Come back to this post. Tell me the difference. Tell me the difference. Tell me the difference. I need to know. I want to know the difference. If you see a difference in a day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, however, whenever you start seeing the difference, let me know the difference. And pick a different one that has meaning to you every day. Don't just throw some crap up there that everybody just chooses. Pick stuff that got meaning, had meaning to you. It doesn't matter what other people think. The only thing that matters is what it means to you. Nobody can tell you how much joy you're having. Nobody can tell you how much pain you're having. Nobody can put on a scale any of those things in your life. So it's all about you. It's all about you. And if you make you great, then everybody who comes into your gravity well is great. Everybody comes who starts circling you, start revolving around you, their greatness, your greatness is all accentuated. So get your gravity well together. Get your gravity well together so that you become a star. Don't just be a planet, be a star. All right. So remember, you got to free yourself to be yourself, because your greatness is non-negotiable.